In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email addresses to a contact in HubSpot. This is a handy feature when managing contacts who might use different email accounts for distinct purposes. Maybe they have separate emails for personal communication, work, and newsletters. Whatever the reason, HubSpot makes it straightforward to keep all these channels organized. To get started, you'll want to open your internet browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is your gateway to all the resources and tools that HubSpot offers. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's typically prominent, found on the top right corner of the page, so click on that to access your HubSpot account. Make sure your login credentials are handy. If you haven't yet created an account, you might want to do so before proceeding with this process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to HubSpot Home. From here, you will find a plethora of options regarding what you can do on the platform. However, to specifically manage your contact emails, click on the CRM tab. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's where you can find all your contacts, deals, and more. Next, locate the Contacts section. Clicking on this will display a list of all your current contacts. Take a moment to browse through the list and select the contact for which you wish to update emails. If your contact list is lengthy, you might find the search bar at the top of the page helpful. Type in the name or current email address of the contact to quickly access their profile. After you have selected the desired contact, look towards the section that houses their email details. Here, you're going to see an option that says Edit Email. Click on that. This action will allow you to modify existing email addresses or add new ones. Once you are in the email editing mode, look around for a button labeled Add Email. Click this button to add an additional email address for the contact. Enter the new email address you want to store, ensuring there are no typos as you do so. Typos can cause miscommunication or lost emails, so it's critical to double check what you've typed. After you've entered the email addresses, remember to save your changes. HubSpot might prompt you to confirm these additions. Once confirmed, all the emails you've entered will now be linked to that contact profile, making them easier to manage and communicate with. And there you have it, you've successfully added multiple email addresses to a single contact. This feature is particularly useful for marketing and sales teams aiming to stay on top of evolving contacts and maintaining organized communications. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to explore more of HubSpot's features to optimize your contact management further. See you next time.